Hello everyone, welcome to Interesting Creative Design channel. Today video is about kitchen decorating ideas that you see in these pictures. There are different types of decorating ideas that inspire your next makeover. When you are looking for a quick kitchen refresh or want to give your space a whole new atmosphere, we have learned different types of kitchen decorating ideas to get you started. And after this, you make sure to also consider implementing the new kitchen trends that the expert define and expect in 2023. There are a lot of ideas, like number first is add pattern shades to the kitchen, or the second decorating idea is a show of different types of decorating pieces on wall, like mug collection, flower, etc. Dedicate a wall niche. If you have much decor space to work directly in the kitchen, dedicate a wall niche a nearby breakfast nook instead. Also, option for blues and whites color for decorating floral wallpaper, like blue cabinetry, striped curtains, and blue border rug. This the another decorating idea: lay out multiple rugs and also create a floor to ceiling gallery wall. Make a book cubbies. Also try ledge shelving. Give it an outdoor bistro vibe to the kitchen. The other idea, like cover glass cabinetry with the fabric, and select a decorative hood for kitchen and for your home interior. Feature flower pots in the kitchen. Hang some pans or other utensils in the kitchen, and choose a statement lighting in the kitchen looks beautiful. Or you wallpaper the fridge and the walls is another idea. Paint the floor and the wall and all the kitchen. It is a good pattern. Use open shelving also. These are all different types of decorating ideas for your home interior kitchen. They looks very beautiful and amazing for you. I hope you like this video. Please share to your friends also, and subscribe my channel. I bring a lot of different videos about home decor for you. Thanks.